I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling NFC and granting the app necessary permissions so it can read and write tags. Once done, make sure the tag is blank or compatible. This prevents failed writes. You open the app, select the read or write mode, and pick a profile or template to use. Do this now so the phone is actively scanning, otherwise the tag won't register. This initial alignment saves time and avoids corrupted data when you move to composing the payload. You now compose the NFC payload and choose the right record type because the tag must match the target device action. For example, pick URL for web links or an NDEF app launch for shortcuts. Add the exact text or link and test the formatting. Once configured, set optional protection like write lock or a password to prevent accidental overwrites. Make sure to preview the payload inside the app. A quick validation filters out typos and ensures the tag will trigger the intended behavior. You complete the process by tapping the tag to your phone's antenna and initiating the write. Keep the phone steady until the app confirms success. Once written, test the tag immediately with another device or a fresh scan to ensure the action triggers correctly. If it fails, make sure NFC is on, the antenna alignment is correct, and the tag type supports your payload. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the phone and retry with a different tag if the app still reports write errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.